Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yealink WH66 or WH67 Bluetooth wireless phone headset and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues where it's not working, where the configurations are not working right or not responding properly, or there's lag or freezing of the unit, we can fix a lot of this with a hard reset. The second reason we might want to do this is if we're setting this up in a new network or just in a new situation and we want everything to be back to the way it was when we came out of the box, we can do that quite easily. We're just going to do that straight from this screen here. We can very simply select the settings button down at the bottom right. And once that opens the settings menu, we will select advanced settings. And then after advanced settings, we will select reset configurations. Once we select reset configurations, it will ask us to confirm. Once we hit to confirm it, it will go ahead and reset all of the configurations to the out-of-the-box default settings.